All right, starting with the captain's chair. I'm about to look real dumb if I can't get these armrests off. There it is. Now we got the armrests. Just take the seams apart and then we'll start patterning. Got the seams marked and taken apart. We're gonna pattern from the old to a 1/2 inch from the seam. Then we will put our marks in so we know where to sew. There's the back patterned out. So we're gonna sew a couple of lines down the center, which is right there. What is 1/2 of 3 1/2? Is it like 1 3/4? Right there, right there. Some silicone spray. Bottom. So for the armrests, we're just gonna pattern it off the foam, 3 inches. So we'll wanna make it 4 for the 1/2 inch. 4, 8, need 36. Found it. Put it 1/2 inch from the line like this. Hole out, trying to make a cutout right there. So here's the back and here's the bottom. I'm going to attempt to glue the inserts down. Last time I tried this, it didn't work, so fair warning. Attempt. Not bad. Sorry guys, had to turn the camera off and wrestle with this thing for another hour. I got it how I want it now. I kind of figured going into it, this one was not going to be easy, but it's looking good. Just got to get these armrests done. Show y'all how it looks finished. There it is. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. And to the guy on Facebook that said seats are harder than the floor, you're right.